Hello, it's Ryan here for Silly Reviews. I may have stumbled on something that should not have been made public. I found this graphic for Tide, Spot Scrub, Carpet and Couch, Fabric and Upholstery Cleaning Spray. You spray it and you scrub it. Very interesting. I can't find, look, I'm searching the internet, Tide Carpet Cleaner. Nothing like this exists. It's all laundry. It's all laundry. Now, these labels look the same, but that's all laundry. See how the label looks the same? This is for carpets. I didn't know Tide was in the carpet game, and apparently this is not released yet. This is Tide Spot Scrub, Carpet and Couch. If you read about it, it's interesting because it says spray and scrub, but in these directions here, it says cover desired area in cleaning foam, let it dry for 30 minutes to loosen set-in stains and odors. When the foam disappears, simply vacuum up the loosened grime and stains, revealing fresh carpets and light scent. Safe for the kids and the pets. Look at a doggy do. That's a dipsy do doggaroo. I can't remember. I've had so many tabs open for so long. I can't remember what I was doing when I stumbled upon this, but I was like, hey, I've never seen that before. And damn, that label, whoever's designing these labels, that shit looks good. It looks good. We already know Tide's a premium product, but bam, that label looks fresh. What do you think about it? So I wanted to put this video up because if this comes and hits the market, I hope people are searching for it and they look up Tide Spot Scrub review and they find this video. I hope they search for Tide Carpet Cleaner and they find this review, because I might be the first on the scene to do it. Can't find anything on the internet about Tide Carpet Cleaner. Can't find it. I saw some videos saying you can take some detergent and clean your carpet, and I believe in that, except I've found that laundry detergent. Put some liquid laundry detergent on a stain, that stain is in an endless loop of returning to your life because you just, for some reason, it attracts more stains, more dirt, it draws it back up and you never get rid of it. I learned that when I was detailing cars, straight broke, and I'm digging in my laundry room, anything that has any kind of soap in it, just so I can hurry up and make a few dollars. Holler for a dollar. Tide Spot Scrub, Carpet and Couch. This is fabric upholstery cleaning spray. Are you excited about this hitting the market? You might be. You might be real big into cleaning stains. I wrote a song one time about rocking a poo stain. I'll tell you about it right now. First little bit of it goes, rocking a poo stain. I know it sounds weird. Dropping dead in these drawers. The very worst fear my mom taught me how to wipe via demonstration, but something got lost in the translation. And it goes on for, I got 2 verses. I got to hook everything. If you want to hear more about that song, I'll reply to you, but you have to leave a comment requesting it. I'll juice you up. But that's it. Carpet cleaning foam, Tide Carpet Cleaner. Go ahead and let me know if you know anything about this. And if you don't, or if you do, or you're looking forward to it, I am. I'm going to buy a bottle. That looks awesome. I might drop a deuce on the carpet just so I can try it out. Ryan here. Silly Reviews. That's enough. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.